back, ladies and gentlemen, to this, the third fight of the night. An amateur middleweight fight and a fight of 3 rounds of 3 minutes. So then, it's time to meet the fighters. Standing in the blue corner, hailing from Wigan, independently trained in this, his debut fight, it's Craig Liptrott. And his opponent, standing in the red corner, hailing from Runcorn, trained by Relentless MMA with a fight record of 1 victory. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Dean Crimp.
Hey, and I'm here as always with Ian M16 Butlin. On to our next bout, got Craig Liptrott taking on Dean Crimp. No touch of gloves there, Ian.
No, straight to business here. Swinging wildly though.
Very wild from both guys. Good leg kicks there from Crimp. Looking to settle that spinning kick there. And throws it. Nice leg kicks there. You've got to be careful with Liptrott. Very good hands. Tough, well-rounded boxer. Decided to make the move into MMA. He's got a tough fight on his hands here with Dean Crimp.
Yeah, decent level change there from Crimp.
Part of the Relentless MMA setup, and he's been doing quite a lot of work down at Blackledge MMA as well.
Tell us a bit more about Relentless MMA.
Yeah, he's Dean's actual gym there. Got some great coaches down there, people like Andrew Device Clamp. Headliner of tonight's main event, which we're all looking forward to, Ian.
We certainly are. You don't get a boring fight from Andy Clamp. Oh, some good ground and pound here.
Yeah, some big shots here from
He's not liking that.
And that is over.
Of the cage. And ladies and gentlemen, the verdict is in for this, the third fight of the night. And the winner by way of TKO after 1 minute and 9 seconds of round 1, it's Dean Crimp. And of course, credit must go to his opponent, Craig Liptrott.